Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 7th till 13th of September, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so what is there for my Virgos for the coming week from 7th till 13th of September, please? What are the guidance messages? What is the tarot for my Virgos? Let's see now. Last shuffle, please. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see now. Let's see. So Knight of Cups in your present scenario, it's like a very beautiful, some kind of a proposal, like you are going to give to someone or someone else is going to give it to you. This is like someone is waiting to just offer you the love which they have for you. And the issue is the Four of Wands. So I don't know whether it might be someone else with whom you are dealing with, because you might be going through a divorce or something, because Four of Wands is here as an issue. So I would say that it's like your marriage life already, or they are already married, or you are already married. So someone is married over here and already in a relationship, but when you start thinking about someone else as well. So for others, it's regarding a new world, basically, where you are involved in a very different perspective. I would say that there is growth, there is determination for you in regards with your work as well. So really good, you are really working, you are like the love is in the air kind of a feeling I'm getting over here. The moon in the focus, or yeah, so the moon is telling me that you are really focused on something. See, your focus is already about your career, your job, because Nine of Pentacles I'm seeing in your future energy. It's like you becoming independent, you becoming the better version of yourself. You are focusing on your energies, you are aiming high, you are just working for yourself. But somewhere, mind is telling me that somewhere in deep down inside your heart, there are some other things as well which are going, but you are just hiding those things. You are not letting them come outside how you feel. Knight of Wands as the past energies, might be a person in your life who just comes and go, that kind of a playboy kind of a person. But that person, if this is the same person you are dealing with, the energies are almost same. With the Knight of Wands, they are very passionate, but still they are the same. They are the knights, because it will take a long time for them to become the kings. Okay. Seven of Wands in your base of the reading. So there was some kind of a step which was taken, and if you are not in the same situation in which you were before, I'm seeing that you took a decision, you took your stand for some kind of a situation where you were respecting your self-respect more. You were respecting yourself more than the other things, more than a relationship as well. So this was about your self-respect. So that is why this whole thing came up. All right. Ace of Wands as you, how you are. So you are working, and you are, there is a bit, there's an ignition of fire, there's an ignition of new new thing, new let's say it will be like new passion developing, new hobby you are developing, you are doing something new. So your mind, you yourself at present, how people are also seeing you. So people are seeing you with the Two of Swords. People are seeing you as the confused person, but not you. You are more into, so let the people think whatever they think. They are thinking that you are always involved in some other problems, you are always involved in issues, you do not have time for yourself. But no, this card does not tell me this. So basically you are just, you know, this is that kind of a fog which you are. People think that you are the bad person, or you don't even have time for yourself, you can't even think about yourself, but you are actually thinking about yourself only right now. And in the future as well, with the 9 of Pentacles, this is a very beautiful energy, Virgos. 10 of Swords as the hopes and fears. So you are actually, there's a fear regarding something, might be this situation. If someone else is also involved in this thing, um, you're actually thinking that the situation might end, and that is why you are afraid. You're afraid of this thing only, that it might end, and you don't want this thing to end. You're waiting, you still want things to start a new chapter should start with your life. You're waiting for a new chapter basically. King of Swords as the outcome, final outcome. So see, I won't say anything. If it's like your mind and your heart, they are not working the same. Your mind knows that somewhere, your heart knows that you want someone, or you are really emotional towards something, but your mind is like, no, 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 you cannot do this right now, you should focus on your growth, you should focus on yourself only. So just say no to whatever other things other than career, whatever things are coming in your life, say no to that. Okay, so this is that energy. All right, so let's see why the Knight of Cups is here in the scenario, present scenario. 5 of Swords. All right, so if there is like a love situation coming up, so just beware of this Knight of Cups, because this might not be the one for whom you were waiting, because they are more a lot of, because okay, so I'm not saying that you should say no to someone who is like this, but might be this is someone who has already betrayed you in the past, so they are coming back. Might be a past person coming up again in your life, and might be ready to say sorry to you, a sorry offer. We will see. Let's see why the 4 of Wands is here. Temperance. So the balance was disturbed, you were disturbed. So this person or the situation, when you were betrayed by this thing, so you were actually disturbed. Okay, you were disturbed, your mind and balance, they stopped working, and mind and heart, they just stopped working, and you were not able to find balance in your life. So if the person, or if they are really wanting to come again, so just be aware of the people around you. They might be manipulative as well. Let's see the Moon over here. Why is the Moon here? 3 of Wands with the 4 of Cups. So it's like your emotions, they're just, it's like you're waiting for someone, but when the offer will come towards you, you will say no. So are you able to understand what I'm saying? It's like you are wanting that thing, but when it will come towards you, you will say no, because your emotions, they are just hidden. Your feelings are hidden with the Moon. You don't even know how to express them, you don't even know how to take care of them, how to deal with them. So that's what your mind, it's not focusing right now. Let's say why this is the King of Wands. I'm so sorry, I just thought it the Knight of Wands. Okay, so the reading has changed a little with the past energies. With the King of Wands, it's telling me that it was good. Someone with whom you were dealing with was a king, was someone who actually knew you. When you know that this person knows me and this person will be by my side. I won't say a very trustworthy person, but yes, someone who is very sharp, someone who is passionate, someone who knows who is very desiring and ambitious as well. So you know, someone who can keep a relationship like always in a happy mode, something like that. Let's see the Seven of Wands in over here. Ace of Pentacles. So the base of the situation, it's telling me that it was a new connection with someone, but something really appeared with self-respect. I'm really getting that thing that you or might be someone else. This is your energy more, that something happened, like whatever the situation was, and you took a step and you were saying sorry, so you were saying no, you said that no, my self-respect means more to me, I am more important than anyone else right now. So you just said no to this new relationship, or this might be a new job as well with the Ace of Pentacles over here. So this is like working for your bills and all. So you were like, I can just starve, but I cannot listen bad words. I cannot just, let myself let you insult me. Sorry. Okay, so this is you. Let's see Nine of Pentacles. Why is the Nine of Pentacles is here? The World and the Nine of Swords. So things are really coming to an end. This bad chapter of your, if you have something else, like the bad days, they are coming to an end and you are moving towards something very stable. See, because you always have taken a step for yourself. You always have thought about yourself, your self-worth. So that is why your growth is also coming up. All right. Let's see why the hopes and fears. We have Ten of Swords here. And the hopes and fears. Why, please? Three of Pentacles. Okay. This might be a work situation. So yes, you know that you are it's your self-respect more, but still you are afraid that you might not just come out from this relationship. This relationship might just not get ended, or this workplace, because this is work, this is partnership. So you're afraid that this partnership might not come to an end. This is like that thing. Let's see why the King of Swords with the Devil. What else? Eight of Cups. All right. Yeah. So finally, your energies are telling me with the King of Swords, it's like this is a very emotionless person. King of Swords, more than emotions, he thinks intellectually. He thinks how the situation can be, basically he thinks very practically in a situation. It's not always about, you have to think emotionally. And that is why when you think about the situation in a practical manner, you tend to understand what is good and what is bad for you. And that is why in which thing you are in, you are very much attracted towards this thing, but you are going towards something else. So you are leaving this greedy energy, which is actually attracting. You are addicted to this energy, this bad energy, but you are leaving the situation over here because you have thought about it in a very different way, and you have actually taken the step in a very practical manner, not just thinking from your heart. It's more about your brain which has taken this decision. So that's all from my side, my Virgos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.